Okay, this is a 6-inch safety wire twister. I'm going to show you how this actually works. Okay, here's the pliers. As you can see, all you do is put the 2 ends of the wire right in here. You squeeze down. You pull the wires together. As you can see, there's a little lip right here on one of the handles. Push it down in that little groove and push this back. Okay, and that will lock the handles in place. The wire should be in here. Now what you'll do is hold the other end of the wire, and I'll show you that in a demonstration, and you pull on this only, and then we'll twist the wire for you. To release the wire from the jaws, just take and squeeze both handles in. As you can see how it released the handle right there, and that's all there is to it. They are a little tough, are a little tight. You got to have a little bit of strength to squeeze these, so just be aware of that. I'm going to cut a little bit of stainless steel wire. I'm going to demonstrate this with a screwdriver, because this here, you can actually twist tie things together with this stainless steel wire and these pliers. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put these 2 ends together, and you want to put it inside these pliers right here, like so. Squeeze down. You'll see a little clip right here. Okay, you'll squeeze these together really tight, and it's really hard, but you'll push that back, and now it's locked. The pliers are locked together, and they will not come apart unless you pull this little metal piece up. So now what you want to do, I'm going to do this with a screwdriver. I'm going to put it right here like so. And I'm going to take this little round piece, and I'm going to hold it, and watch what happens to the wire. Okay, there you go. And now I can twist it even tighter up to the screwdriver if need be. As you can see right here, I can twist that all the way up tight. So that's how this pair of pliers works. Thanks for watching.